All right, we are live. And I should probably create a.
So you are streaming from Hangouts, right?
I am streaming from. Well, no, I basically have my setup going to my Twitch, and then I have Hangouts going to Watch People Codes
Mm-hmm.
YouTube. So yeah.
Okay. Just was I just while you were away from keyboard, I just realized that I need to make the sound of our conversation available on my stream because by default the system sound and like people can't hear it.
They don't have that in OBS.
I don't know. In OBS, I don't know. You stream from OS X2, but in my OBS there is no option for that, so I had to install a program called Soundflower that can redirect, system sound to OBS.
That's what I did, and then I use a. Well, I have Soundflower,
Hmm.
which is what I'm using, which I basically am using to output all of my desktop sound to, and then I have
Yeah,
a basically a thing called Line In, which I then
the,
take
that
Soundflower and forward it to my headphones.
the quality of video feed is terrible. I can't see it. I mean, I can. It's very blurry. Like I don't know. I can take a screenshot so you can see how bad it
Is
is.
it? I wonder how it looks on YouTube. Let's look at that really quick.
Yeah, I think it's a bad. It would be bad. It could be a problem on my end, but it looks really, like it is 240 p instead of 720p. So it's very blurry. I can't see anything. I mean, I can't read any text there. So.
Ooh, that is bad.
So
Yeah,
you have the same problem, right?
let's look at YouTube really quick. Oh, man, we already got 7 people in here.
Okay, so people are watching, and do they have normal quality? Oh, hi, people.
I'm gonna kill the sound so we don't have to hear ourselves echo constantly.
Okay. So since the quality of my video is very bad, can you tell me if it's good? Maybe I should open it too. I mean, what I'm trying to say is that in Hangouts, your screen is very blurry. It's so I can't see the quality, the actual quality. It could be a problem on my end.
No, no, you're 100% right. Um, did that happen when I first started streaming? Maybe what I need to do here.
No, originally I think it was good. I don't know what happened, but when you started streaming, it just started.
I have a
Uh,
feeling that it happened when I started streaming to my Twitch.
yeah, maybe you could stop that. I don't know, maybe it's some sort of bandwidth problem.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Let's test it. I think we could. You could temporarily disable streaming on your Twitch, and we can look at the quality of the video. Oh,
What about my quality now?
not much better. So I think it's pretty much the same. So it didn't. I don't think it was affected much by stopping streaming. I think now it's better. For some reason, it started looking a lot better. I can't say it's perfect, but maybe it's because uh, I haven't I haven't made it full screen. So I'm looking at it in the window, but I think the quality is a lot better. Um,
I'm trying to see since I changed it. Yeah, it's better. Well, I might just do this really quick because we're not that far into this. Man, I feel bad that we had so many people on our. I don't know if you've gone to the live page yet, but we had a lot of people in there. So yeah, and it's climbing right now. So I'm gonna leave real quick. I'm gonna come back and see if that fixes it. If not, then I'm gonna leave my Twitch alone and we'll just do it that way. So I'll be right back.
Uh-huh.
Okay, there we go.
Okay, so did you test Twitch?
No, I haven't touched Twitch yet.
Okay. Um,
My sounds awful. I don't know what the deal is. Yeah, that sounds just bad. There we go. I don't know what the deal is with this thing.
I think it's good now. At least it's definitely better than it was at the very beginning of the stream. I don't know. I have no idea how to open your screen in full screen. Like settings. I have no idea. Um, so what are you doing now? Are you trying to figure out if Twitch is a problem? Or also, it could be CPU issue. Maybe if you stream to both Twitch and YouTube, you can't, you neither gets enough CPU to encode the stream. And it looks like Hangouts on Air is um, very resource intensive. Hey, can you hear me? Can you guys hear me on YouTube? Test, test, test. Can you hear me?
Can you guys hear me now?
Oh yeah, I can hear you now.
There we go. All right. How's the video still coming through? It doesn't look awesome, but it's better.
Let me check it. I think it looks alright. I don't know. I think I need to set
Well, I can hear you
fast
on
quality.
my end. They should be able to hear you on their end.
I can hear you, but I wasn't able to hear you before. Before you messed with this.
Yeah, what happened was I like had to yank out my USB cable because my sound was getting all jacked.
Okay.
So, but yeah, so it didn't set it back to my default input.
Okay. So, should we begin?
I think so. I just threw in there what I thought that you'd probably want to do. You don't have to use my suggestions at all, but I just was like, well, here's the things I think we need to get done. I think the first thing that I'm going to do is create a good default template for events.
Yeah, maybe. The problem with it, oh, by the way, I'm going to start streaming from my channel. 1 second. Uh, I think I'm already streaming actually. I just need to click live control room. Something. Oh no. Okay, yeah. Preview. So yeah, a couple of minutes. So I need to start my own stream. So say it's bad. Damn it. For some reason it says there will be lag.
And for those of you guys that are following us on YouTube, the way that we're planning on doing this is because Google Hangouts bounces back and forth between whoever's talking, it's really hard to get a good, if you're trying to watch somebody code, and that's what we've been struggling with, and kind of one of the reasons why we're late, other than the fact that I overslept, which we're gonna ignore.
Okay, I started streaming. I'm going to greet everyone. Hi everyone, I'm here with Nate, and we are redesigning the WatchPeopleCode.com website. Anyway, so yeah, we are kind of in the middle of conversation here because we had some technical difficulties. We're also streaming on 2 different channels. We're also streaming on WatchPeopleCode YouTube channel, and I think Nate is also streaming on his Twitch channel, but I could be wrong.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So you solved all that technical difficulties and like quality issues. Great. So yeah. Okay. So we are kind of in the middle of conversation. We are discussing different things like events page. So okay, I'm going to open the chat now and let's go. Is it working? Okay. So I think it should be working. Anyway, if you want to see my, what is it? What that? It says starting soon. That's okay. I have some technical problems. Okay, I need to wait. Probably there will be lag. A minute of lag. I don't know. Okay, so it says starting soon for some reason, or even though I clicked on start streaming, maybe it's just typical YouTube lag. Okay, I think my stream is going live right now. Okay, like 1 second. Stop this. Okay, yeah, that was weird. So yeah, okay. I think so. There is a chat on the main page, so I'm going to check both chats. But it would be better if you just go to WatchPeopleCode main channel and just ask questions there and comment there. I'm going to leave that. Okay. So let's go. What were we discussing? Events page. Can you hear me? Hey, I don't think I can hear Nate.
Can't hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you now. Okay, so what were we discussing? Some sort of event page.
Yeah, I think what I'm going to do is just start with obviously just building the basic template for it. But I'd really like it to.
I don't know. Maybe we could work on your. So you already redesigned sort of the main page. So maybe we could merge it. So you could go and create a pull request. Because I think it would be better to merge these changes before making further changes.
Okay.
So we could create a different branch, or maybe we could just merge it into master right away. We'll see.
Yeah, and then you have control over what goes in there on the pull request. So yeah, it's probably better to do it that way. Where is my?
So yeah, so we make a pull request and then we work on the events page. I worry about event page. Because they are kind of unpredictable. There are different events, and for example, for the conference initially it was like schedule and some live streams, but now there are recordings, and I suspect that for hackathons there may be something like maybe demos of projects, like video demonstrations of projects, plus maybe recordings, plus maybe some other links. So I worry that events are kind of unpredictable. So let's merge. So let's merge the existing changes and then discuss events pages.
Okay, so I need to do.
Oh, someone is watching my stream right now. No. So anyway, to those people that are watching my stream, there are main sort of. You can also watch our main stream or Nate's stream on Twitch. I posted the ID of YouTube on chat, so you can go there. Ideally, you should comment on the main stream. Okay, so yeah, let's go. I'm going to check the IRC. Okay, it's certain bot. Now.
How do I freaking do this? I'm so out of it.
So I don't know. Quality is kind of weird. I don't think you can. You can send me a pull request. You open a branch and you create a pull request. But I suspect that maybe I should create, since I need to convert your code into templates. Maybe I should create another branch on the repository.
Yeah.
Select. Okay, let's create. I don't want to merge into master right away because I need to convert into templates. So you make a pull request, I merge it, and then I update the code so it works with. So I update your stuff so it works with existing code.
That will work. I'm trying to even find my base. Hold on. Okay, and then I'm going to master compare Nate K branch. Okay.
So right now I'm going to. I don't know. Should I share my screen with you? Because okay, I can do that. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, Hangouts. Share my screen. OBS name and that. Alright, full screen mode. No screen share. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So I'm going here. We have some branches here, 3 branches. Default branch, not that. I don't think we need this branch anymore. And yeah, I think we should delete it. So we have master and RTMP. In RTMP, there is some interesting stuff happening, like we are trying to set up a custom RTMP server so people can stream without lag. Maybe, I don't know. I'm personally trying to do that for myself because I'm kind of selfish here. But if people want to stream without lag, we may enable that for everyone. But I'd like to try streaming without lag, so there is an RTMP branch.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm right now. I need to create a new branch, and I'm kind of GitHub noob. I wonder how do I create a new branch. I think there should be an option. Maybe I should do it in Git, but maybe there is compare view branch.
Do you have the? Are you on what OS are you on?
Mac OS X.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to figure out how to create a new GitHub branch. I'm interested.
There's a program that'll actually do it all for you. That's from GitHub. I don't know if you've ever downloaded that.
I don't remember actually. I think I can just maybe I can just do it from terminal. So yeah, git branch.
That's probably the better way to do it. Yeah. I'm like, I need a GUI interface. Yeah.
Again, branches. Sorry. Git checkout to design, and I'm going to push it. Can I push it? Exactly. What's the hell? Let's test. Let's check it. Is there a new branch? Because I want a new branch. No branch. Ah, I'm kind of Git noob. I mostly used Subversion.
Mm-hmm.
Something. I wish I only heard you on your stream. Then I can run each stream separate. Like if you really want that, I can do that. You can hear only me if you want. Okay, let me check how many people are watching my stream. 5 people are watching. So I'm going to create I'm going to do a quick poll in chat. Sorry for these technical difficulties because it's our first time doing some sort of pair programming and simultaneously streaming. Do you want to hear only me? Quick poll here. Because K86 suggested that maybe I should only enable maybe I should make it so he can hear only me on my stream.
Well, it wouldn't make the conversation wouldn't make much sense to him hearing only you. The big thing, guys, behind us streaming to our own channels is because if Google Hangouts is bouncing back and forth, which is what we use to stream live to our YouTube page, it's hard to follow just one person coding. So you can go back and forth between their streams, so you can see just what they're working on.
Yeah,
that was the main purpose.
But I think the point here is that you open 2 streams simultaneously, and you can go back and forth and watch them. And I don't know, and don't hear weird sound effects like, I don't know. If you open two streams and not mute one of them, you will hear some interesting effects. They will overlap. And I don't know. Actually, I don't think everyone is quiet in chat, so I guess I will ignore the request because I suspect that some people may only watch my stream or like, and the conversation will be difficult to follow. Anyway, okay. I'm kind of Git noob, so I'm trying to figure out how to push a new branch. Probably like that. Let's see. I want to create a new branch that is, yeah, I think, yes, I just did that. So I created a new branch, and now we need to merge Nate's pull request there. Okay, I created a branch. Here's that.
Okay.
Oh, no, it's 13p. The branch should be called redesign. Yeah, sorry, the second link is correct.
So what I'll do is I should probably just go ahead and cancel my pull request to the main.
Yeah, maybe. Just make the exact same pull request to the branch redesign, because I want to do some development there and then merge it back to master.
Okay. So, redesign. What the heck?
No new messages in chat.
Okay.
I guess I need to open your screen.
Create bullet points. Okay, that should be done.
Okay, I'm going to open it. Into redesign from native branch. Okay, let's see.
Yeah, and some of the stuff got automatically pulled in there of what Harrison was working on. So
There is
because I was
more.
branched off him, so just kind of pick and choose what you want.
I'm not sure if I can do that. I'm not sure if I can selectively merge it, but maybe I can simply. Um, Borders on style CSS. Is style CSS's main sort of CSS class? Is style CSS should be included in all pages?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, image loader. By the way, are you using tabs for indentation in place? Or is it in HTML?
One more time.
Are you using tabs for indentation in HTML? Why not use two spaces? I don't know. I always use two spaces.
I don't know. I code. That's all I do. I probably should. Everybody's been griping at me to work on my indentation more, but I'm like, I just like starting. Sorry, man.
Okay. Pagination HTML. Okay. Some pagination stuff.
Yeah, that was all the stuff that he made, so I could do it whenever I. It works pretty good on when I run it on my computer, but yeah, you'll need to. That you can probably just ignore that. The big thing is just the styling that comes from my HTML pages.
I'm not sure if I can merge it selectively. Oh, okay. Yeah. Now we need to. Okay.
You can probably go back real quick
Mm-hmm.
and go to commits.
Okay.
Hit the commits tab.
Oh, commit stop. Okay, so one second. I'm going to check if I can. Oh, I think maybe I could manually pull some commits from repository. Um, I think, yeah, maybe it would be a better way. Okay, let me check it. So commits. Let's go here. So
Is there a way to like not to ignore certain commits?
I think maybe I could manually merge some of them. Like maybe I could cherry pick just some of the commits. I'm not sure though. Okay.
What is the little file looking icon here? I'm just gonna pull it up on my screen. I don't know why I'm watching yours. It'd be a lot easier to watch on my end. GitHub.com.
we're not going to merge all the stuff that isn't done by you, right? We're just merging.
All you really need is like 3 HTML files from.
Oh, okay. So I think I can selectively get some of the commits. Not sure if I can. I can get all the files, but then then your if I just copy files, then it won't show you as a contributor, and it's not nice in my opinion. So I think if I can just merge certain commits manually without making you create a new pull request, then it's going to show you as the author. But I'm not exactly sure. I need to check that. So for example, yeah. So let me check it. Yeah. So here. Here Harrison updated init, and so I had to pull it from his fork, using not using the GitHub pull request functionality, but just typing something from in terminal. So and it looks like it looks like he is shown as an author of this commit. So it says like he authored it 5 days ago, but I committed it 4 days ago. I wonder what git blame shows. Okay, contributors. Yeah, so he's shown as a contributor. Okay, and I think if I open init 5, if I press blame here, yeah, so it looks like GitHub handles this really well. So I can just cherry pick certain commits, and let me check what's going on. How would I go? So okay, there is a question. How would I go about changing the indentation style on a bunch of files? You could use sed, but what I would do is I would open Vim and open files like that. Oh, sorry. So let's say I want to change indentation on Python files. So I do that. Open 6 files, and why is it slow? Okay, stop that. So and then I do retab. In Vim there is a really amazing command called retab, and I like it a lot. Anyway, so I think I figured out what should I do, and basically I can, like I mentioned, I can just pull Nate's stuff from this fork. And it's pretty much the same as creating a pull request using GitHub, but this way I can selectively get some commits from GitHub, which is what we want to do. And it looks like GitHub handles this really well. So even though I commit these changes, Nate will be the author of the commit. So it's really good. I really like that. So let me now choose what commits we should merge. So basically, I don't need the commit that adds GitHub. Sorry, that adds Bootstrap. Except maybe Bootstrap theme. I'm not sure. What's Bootstrap theme? Is it this? Is this necessary? I don't know. Anyway, we use Flask Bootstrap, so I don't need
Okay.
all these CSS files from Bootstrap since they're automatically included.
Yeah, the only thing that you should actually need is I created my own separate CSS.
Mm-hmm. So start installing with static HTML page document, style CSS, native static.html. So I probably need this commit. Okay, let's merge it.
Yeah, I think eventually you'll probably get rid of that file because you'll be breaking it into separate templates, but should be a good starting point.
The design. So what should I do now? I somehow need to cherry pick it. Okay, I'm on correct branch. Let's see if this works. Bad object. So it's probably because it can't find this branch. I'm not sure. Yeah, I completely forgot how I was able to complete that. So I need to do some googling. Yeah, I made search edit work. Oh, thank you. That's great. Maybe I should create some sort of test database. So I'm answering these questions. Well, not questions, just mentions. Okay, let's go. I need to figure out how to merge just one commit from an external fork. And a few days ago, I did this. I don't remember how I did this. Pull one fork. How do I list all the branches? I think the remotes. No, okay. I probably maybe I need to just do this page native branch. Okay, I think I figured it out, but I'm not exactly sure. So how do I catch it? Maybe like that. Couldn't find remote. What the hell? So I need to. So like I mentioned, I'm a Git noob. So not everything is easy for me. Okay, let's try cherry picking one more time. Okay, embed object. Okay, I already have baked the core packet in my Git. So I think I have all the branches there. I don't know why it shows them red. Maybe because they are remote. So somehow. Oh, maybe I need to fetch a remote branch. Okay, maybe I can do this. Keep page. And do this. Couldn't find remote reference mate branch. Is it? It can be deleted, I think. Yeah, let's open. Let's see what branches are there. Net. Yeah, there is net branch. But I can't. Oh, what's wrong with you, Git? Okay.
I feel completely. I'm gonna start working on something because if not, then I'm just gonna sit there and watch you do this.
Okay. I just need to figure out how to fetch a remote branch. But it fails for some reason. Says that there is no remote find remote ref. Couldn't find remote ref branch. Yeah, no branches. Maybe fetch minus all works. Fetch all.
There's like too much stuff on here. I need to keep. Okay, I've got Twitch on one side. I probably need to open that YouTube page and pay attention to it.
So, okay, let's do one more time. Give branch minus F. Create a new local branch from GitHub remote branch. Maybe
Okay, so.
oh yeah, there is WPC fix. Okay, I figured it out. I had incorrect remote correct remote stuff, so I need to actually delete it. Remove that. Okay. Now I'm going to add proper remote. So yeah, that was the problem. I was doing most of the stuff correctly, but I had the wrong remote set up. Because apparently Harrison has 2 different forks. For some reason, I don't know why. Don't ask me. Ask him. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So now we have Nate K branch. I know how to pronounce it. Maybe Nate. I don't know. So I'm clicking that. So okay. Now I need to merge certain commits, and we're going to start with this one. It looks like the first one that we need. Yeah, here's the commit hash, and now I think we can just cherry pick it. Can we? Okay, let's check. Yeah, we are on the design branch, so let's cherry pick a commit here. Yeah, okay, it worked. Great. But I think we need more stuff here. We are going to start with. We're just going to commit history and add more stuff. Bootstrap, I don't think we need that. Start and style with. Okay, that's what we learned now. What the hell? I think I lost the tab where all the commits go. Okay, added bootstrap files. Don't need that. Start and style with static page content. Okay, that one is not.
That looks like a bunch of bootstrap stuff. Dude, it would probably be easier if you just cloned my branch and then took the files that you wanted.
Maybe, but I want you to appear as a contributor.
Yeah, well, I will be at the end.
Oh, maybe you can. Oh, look at. Okay, if you want to create just 2 files, maybe you could create your own fork. Put all just the files that necessary here, and and just create a pull request. I think that would be simpler. I don't want your commits to lose, your. Sorry, I want the repo to show your contribution basically. So I think, yeah, that's true. Git fetch, I was trying that, and yeah, I was trying that, but turned out I just had a wrong. Yeah, this is me replying to comments in YouTube. Sorry for that delay in reply. Okay, I'm going to go to handouts. So I think that's so I think you can create a new branch, like create it from the master, or create a new fork or whatever, or just a branch that is synchronized with WatchPeopleCode master, and add your files there. And this way we can just merge this simple pull request containing just one commit, and you want to lose, and your contribution will appear as your contribution. So, of course, I could take just 3 files, but I like to do things the right way. Like whenever I come across a repository without license file, I just go to issues and I create an issue. Please add license file, because by default GitHub license isn't open source. I mean, it's probably open source, but it isn't free software. You can't legally use code from a GitHub repository that doesn't contain any licensing information. Well, okay, I need to go away from keyboard for a couple of more minutes. Um, okay. So I'm back. I'm back. Okay. I'm back. Let me know if there are any issues with audio or any sort of video audio synchronization issues. I changed my OBS settings. I think it says that
Okay.
the health. It still says that the health is bad, but whatever.
So do you have, really quick here, do you have, it says for some reason when I'm hitting publish that I don't have access.
When you click publish where?
Well, I'm trying to do a pull request right now.
Okay, okay, let me open your screencast. Okay, publish pull request. Okay, show me it.
Like I'm trying to even publish my branch. You do not have permission to access redesign.
Well, the branch is obviously public, so this is weird. So it says current branch Nate. I don't know. Maybe you could do it from. Could you do it from web interface? Because I never used GitHub. Have you created your own fork or some sort of branch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I did. Let me see here.
I don't know. I don't see a fork on your page.
Base, redesign, compare, redesign. Ugh, this is such a pain in the ass.
Maybe you should create a branch. Okay, so where did you create a branch from? From which you're trying to create a pull request?
Well, that's what I did. I basically cloned redesign, and then I created a branch from it.
But where did you create a branch? Because you can't create branches in WatchPeopleCode repository, so you have to create a fork and create branch in a fork, and then create a pull request.
Oh, okay.
So maybe it's kind of complicated, but I don't know. So you should probably, I think the simplest way would be to fork a repository, commit some stuff there, and then create a pull request to the main repository. So I didn't see a forked repository on your profile.
Okay, let's do that then. I'm not sure why it didn't. I don't know what the deal is here. Recent redesign. Yeah, I'll do that. Code. Redesign.
Meanwhile, I can change my OBS settings.
Oh.
So now I'm waiting for Nate to create a branch. I should probably go to this Hangout. Are you creating a fork on a different monitor, on different screen?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. So that's what I assumed. Just wanted to make sure.
Gotcha, yeah. Yeah, I'm looking at a different monitor. Okay. I can't believe I just can't. Okay. So I just create a fork and then.
Yeah, create a branch there, publish your changes there, and then you create a pull request from your fork to the main repository. Wow, okay, thank you. Meanwhile, I'm going to check the pull request by Gökber. Because why not? Actually need to.
Oh, no.
No description provided. Okay, I guess. Okay, third pagination. Okay, I guess I will merge that.
Oh my god. Okay, maybe that's my problem.
Okay.
Push the branch on GitHub.
Thank you. The changes were good. Basically, you changed. You added title, and this is a change that I planned to do. So thank you for doing. So thank you for contributing to the repository. Oh, great. The lag is gone. It's probably because of OBS settings, but I don't know. It still says that stream status is bad.
I have no idea what the damn problem is here.
Maybe I should check your screencast. Can you try doing this from a web interface?
Well, see, I did get checkout and.
Yeah, did you create git checkout from your own pull request? Oh, sorry, from your own fork? Because you can't push to WatchPeopleCode. you need to push to your fork. So create a fork, add some changes there, and then create a pull request from your fork to the main repository. And now, at least in terminal, it seems like you are trying to push right to the main repository right away.
Ah.
Yeah, so go to click on that link, on WatchPeopleCode link, click there, and then click fork. I don't remember where it is. Okay, right. No, you are forking the whole repo. You are forking the whole repository, not just one branch. So just go to the
No, that's
right.
what I've got it selected right here.
It doesn't matter because if you are forking the whole repository, just go to the right top corner. There is a fork.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I see what you're
click
saying.
on that, and so yeah, you have your own fork. Now you can clone it. You use that URL in the Okay, so
Here, I should be able to now. No.
now
Here, yeah, I know what you're saying. Clone a desktop. There we go. Okay, yeah, this should work. And now I can. I gotta get up. Here we go. And I'll just create a new Finder. Should be able to go to WPC. Yeah, I'm set to go.
Okay, so copy these files to your fork, commit them, push them, and so on.
So do you want me to just put everything inside the static folder?
Like CSS files, yes,
Yeah.
CSS files are going into static folder.
What about my HTML files? I'm sure you're just going to pull them out anyway. So
put them in template. Put them into a template folder. There aren't really templates, but I think it would be better to put them into template.
Ooh, I don't want to do that. Stop. I'm going to rename this one because you already have an index.html in the templates.
It's not a big deal since we are using another branch. We can, override files as we want. It would be a problem if we committed to master, but since we are using the branch, doesn't matter much.
Okay. Okay, so let's see here. Well, crap, I need to go and commit changes. Edit.
So you are now watching me watching how Nate, okay, creating it. So you are now watching me watching Nate creating a pull request. Okay, so we're able to push it. So my quality of video isn't very good, but I see that something is changed. Something is changing. Anyway, let's wait.
Oh crap! I hope I didn't try to push that to... No, I should have forked my own. So that, yeah, that'll be fine. Now I can come over here and... Okay, so here's my own initial commit. WPC. Damn it.
Yeah, and we need to go deeper. Yeah, Nate should watch my stream while I'm watching Nate's stream. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. I'm answering somebody in mind. Yeah, WatchPeopleCode is our site, or well, it's Alex's site technically, but I'd like to think that I make some kind of contribution.
Yeah, and you are great with your podcast. By the way, how was the previous episode? How it went? Because I haven't watched it yet since I was, well, I couldn't participate in it because I was sleeping, and I haven't had time to watch it or listen to it yet. So how it went?
I thought the whole thing went pretty well. In fact, there's guys already that said that they, Terry Keelbite said that he enjoyed the WPC conference. Oh, he's Terry Keelbite's Nathan from Free Code Camp. I just connected the names together. That's
okay.
what just as I said that, he's gonna hear this in about 5 seconds. What I just said, and then he just said, anyone named Nathan is clearly a scholar and a gentleman.
I guess I need to open your chat as well because I don't know. I just have opened my own chat, WatchPeopleCode chat, and I need to. Guess I need to open your chat.
I know we've got 7 chats open.
Yeah, which is super weird.
We should have actually done a. Well, I guess we're probably gonna break apart here in just a minute, but to start, we probably should have actually just done one stream until we got this whole thing done. Damn it! I think I pushed to master.
I think it doesn't matter because you can create a pull request from master to redesign branch. It doesn't matter. Just create a proper pull request from your master to redesign branch in the main repository. Meanwhile, I'm looking at the Twitch ads.
Well, that's the problem. Kai's on here with us too. He was on the show last week with Quincy. But that's the problem, Kai. He said, have you pushed that commit you just made? And the problem is I don't know if I actually pushed it to my branch.
I can check in the.
Or did it commit to my own branch or fork? Should I say?
I'm going to check it. WatchPeopleCode. I don't think you pushed your commit. But
Oh, I didn't sync it. That's the problem.
maybe redesign. Maybe push to redesign branch. No, I don't think you pushed your commit. Oh no, I'm wrong. There is a commit with a message edit page design files and style CSS. And say this branch is one commit ahead of WatchPeopleCode master. So now you can create a pull request from just make it just create a pull request from master to redesign branch. I just opened the interface and there is a choice of a branch.
Okay.
So since the branches are the same, you can just create a pull request.
Wait, now yours is
to the redesign branch.
Yeah. Where are you in this giant list of people? Oh, I guess I don't have to specify. I just need to push to redesign. Okay. Create pull request.
No. Just okay. Now you just need to create a pull request. You can do it from web UI. It's really simple. Just choose redesign here. Yeah.
That's what I got from head fork.
Yeah, just use that and click create pull request, and I'm just going to accept it.
All right, there you go. You should have it.
Okay, so I'm going to
check out source tree is what Terakilobyte suggested.
Okay.
Oh wow, this thing's cool.
Pull request and okay, I'm going to check the files. So style CSS. Yeah, index.html is changed, but I'm going to make it a template. Yeah, okay. I'm just merging this. Okay, conversation. No.
Okay, so I just actually sent you a link of something that they mentioned in my Twitch chat, which is source tree, and it's like it's a more visual way of figuring out your GitHub and where everything is coming.
Okay.
But yeah, you should check it out. I'm definitely going to download it here. I'm not sure if my bandwidth can take it right now.
Okay, I guess I can. Yeah.
But anyway,
I'm going to download Windows version.
Okay, so before we get started, well, there's only one thing that I really need done.
Mm-hmm.
Well, no, go ahead and do what you're doing. I still need to. What I need done before we get off is I need you to edit the XML file, and I need you to also upload the icon for the podcast, and then link that within that thing. Because here's what it looks like right now. Let me see if I can get iTunes up here. Podcasts. WatchPeopleCode. So if you can see, the two things that we're missing right now is there's no description. Can I go just into this? No, shut up.
No description in podcast. I don't think I can see it very well, so there is no description of the episode or of the whole podcast.
Here you go. So if you can see, it's not it doesn't show my it doesn't show the photo for it, and we have no descriptions for anything. So those are the only three things that we need to fix, and then I should be able to go ahead and submit it to go live.
Okay.
Because this pulls directly from the XML file.
So the icon, the description. Okay, I guess I can fix it.
Yeah, don't worry. Like I said, don't worry about it now because I'm gonna write descriptions for each episode because those have to be put in as well. So we'll do it all at
Okay.
once. So just remind me before we do it because I'm pretty sure somebody's gonna murder me if I don't actually get it done this week. So I
Okay.
fear for my life.
So we just need to write the description. So that's okay. Cool.
So okay, let me. So you're gonna be doing that. I need to. I have a couple things. I need to edit my one of the template files and just get the new search bar that you made put in there and style it in.
Okay. So how? I guess I can try to make them templates. Um. So
Yeah, my guess is you would do it the same way that you already have it, where you have like the header, the footer, and everything else templated out, and you can start doing that.
yeah.
Um,
So
and,
okay.
and during this time, I'll start. I need a cigarette real quick. This GitHub stuff is stressful.
Okay.
I'm just making up excuses. I'll be right back, guys.
So meanwhile, I'm going to figure out um, how to create templates from that because we are using Flask. In Flask, there is a template. Flask uses template engine called Jinja, and in Jinja you can't. Okay, let's see what happens if I just launch the code. Python. Okay. I don't think it works. I guess I'm going to open. It's lagging again. Is it Twitch? Maybe. Yeah, maybe I opened too much stuff on my laptop, and that's why it's lagging. Okay, stop. They just. What the hell? Oh, okay, it's playing here. Right. So, oh, I guess I need to remove this link. Anyway, right now, when I open it, it's pretty much the same. The same. I don't know why. But it works. I don't think it should work. Hmm. It returns some. Oh, I didn't. I need to do git pull. Obviously, I forgot to do that. Okay, now let's launch it, and I'm pretty sure it will crash. But as usual, I want to keep the chat on the side, so you can ask me questions. Yeah, let's go and create template from that. So that it's launched, and now I need to see what doesn't work. Gauss Soviet. I just heard the notification from. Okay. Can you try closing Twitch? Yeah, sure. 1 second. Closing Twitch. And I think I was able to open the site again. How is this even works? I mean, I thought Nate replaced the index page. It obviously shouldn't. Okay, index HTML is okay. What's wrong? Okay, let's check branch. Obviously, index HTML isn't updated. Let's do git pull. Let's do git pull origin redesign. Okay. North branch design. Okay, whatever. No. Let's not merge it. No. Let's set upstream. I think if we set upstream, it's going to be more easier to pull it later. So origin redesign. Sorry. Oh yes, I cherry. Yes, I realized what's wrong. I need to go back to. Oops. This. And now we do git pull. Still lagging. Our audio is okay, but picture is like slideshow. Let me test it. Wow, that's like what the hell? What the fuck? I'm going to try closing some extra heavy stuff. So okay, and now I'm trying to close extra application because I suspect that it could be a CPU issue. I'm also going to change OBS settings from very fast to ultra fast, and I hope it will speed up things a little bit. Okay, is it fixed? That's like what? Okay, let's wait for a couple of minutes. Okay. Is it working? I don't think it works. Yeah, something is clearly wrong. It's not. What happens if I kill this? I don't know what I did wrong. Okay, I'm going to try and restart in OBS.
I think I'm gonna have to work from. I think what I'm gonna do is just work from the current branch that I was doing on with Harrison, and then I'll just move the HTML in this style.
Okay. What are you going to do now? I mean, what kind of feature do you want to code? Okay, I think the stream works fine now. Yeah, okay. Thanks for defining me about stream. So I'm going to open live control room to check the health. Oh, the health is good. Okay, that's good. That's good to hear. Now I'm going to try running the application, and maybe it will work, maybe it won't. Probably not. I'm pretty sure it's not going to work, but we need to check. So we got a lot of stuff here. AngularJS. Do we need AngularJS? Hey, Nate. Okay, I don't think Nate can hear me. Maybe I should open here.
Yeah, I can hear you. Sorry, my
Okay.
mic.
So do we need AngularJS? Because I'm trying to integrate your stuff, your HTMLs into existing code, and it makes requests to jQuery. Okay, it makes sense. jQuery makes sense. What's AngularJS? Do we need this? Because I have no idea. Do we need that, right?
No, we don't
No.
need that.
Okay, so just Bootstrap and jQuery, right?
Yeah, just Bootstrap and jQuery.
Okay, so I'm going to make them a template. Just wanted to make sure that we only need Bootstrap and jQuery. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a very basic code. So it isn't, it has no style, but this is because I need to create templates. Yeah, so as usual, keep it shut on the side, and I need to start with index.html. So where should we begin?
Oh crap!
I think I should begin with. Well, first of all, I don't need. I need to create templates. It's going to state base HTML. It's going to import some macros. Then it's going to block styles. Here we are going to include style CSS. And then we need to remove all this boilerplate stuff. Let's see what we have here. Blog title. Okay, I guess I will leave title just watch people code. Okay, here, this line we don't need anymore because we are including it here on the line number 6. Remove this, remove that. Bootstrap boilerplate is included in base.html. This one is interesting. I think that we use it. Don't know. Oh. Okay, I think it's. I guess I need to check how the Twitter stuff is done in master. So we recently pushed branches. Okay, redesign. Let's open it. Oh no! I actually need master. Templates. Where are they? Let's open templates and let's see how Twitter stuff.
Index.html. Page nation.
Okay, and that's should be placed in blog scripts. So we don't need head, we don't need body, header. Okay, let's see. So we use plus bootstrap and it defines a bunch of blocks. So we probably need to put all the relevant code into the proper blocks. And so I just need to check what blocks are present in plus bootstrap base HTML. Looks like that there is block HTML, there is block head, block styles, there is block navbar. So I guess I will. Is the footer? No footer. Yeah, let's put it just into block. I don't remember. Is it body or content? Let's say it's content. Yeah, let's put it into block content for now. Then we are going to restyle it.
Okay.
We need body HTML. Okay, so now it looks a bit better, but not a whole lot. I think that it shouldn't look like this. Don't think it works. Yeah, it was definitely different on Nate's screenshot. First of all, I think I'm going to remove the navigational bar. It's going to comment it in basic HTML. Nate, could you please check this out? Is it how it's supposed to look? Because I think the footer should be at the bottom of the page, but I'm not exactly sure.
Yeah, no, that's how it's supposed to look. The only thing that you're missing is the streams.
Yeah, okay, so now I should make stream. So can you make footer stay on the bottom of the page? Or
Yeah, I can do that.
okay, great. So isn't this how it's supposed to look? Because I think it looks nice, but I'm not sure that everything like everything should look like that. Right? So just I think I need to make all the forms work.
Yeah, and for some reason there should be a button right next to that.
Okay, maybe that's because I merged it incorrectly.
No, I think I did it to the wrong. I came back and added it later.
Okay.
But I think
No, I think it looks nice. So I guess I need to add streams now. Obviously, I need to change live completed podcast tabs.
Ugh, stupid thing.
Yeah. So let's go. There is.
Yeah, if you can see my screen, this is what it ends up looking like afterwards.
By the way, I can see input type equals submit, value submit. I don't know. And inform. Ooh, okay, now I'm going to open your stream. Oh, okay, yeah. By the way, for some reason, the tabs aren't centered on my screen. Is it? Or I don't know. It's like when I look at your stream, the Twitter button is like exactly above completed. Maybe it's just screen resolution here.
Well, it should be pretty responsive. Well, I need to add jQuery mobile to do the nav bar, but yeah.
So what another thing that sort of I'm worried about is that it kind of changes the order. So for example, look at my. Can you look at my stream now?
Yeah.
So I think that tabs probably should stay like right above the.
Well, I just haven't implemented jQuery mobile, and what I'm going to do is once it hits a certain width, like probably right around tablet size, probably right around 720 pixels wide, it's going to break off into its own mobile drop-down menu. So that way we don't. Basically, at the point where let me see here. At the point where the tabs start combining or overlapping, or we have width issues, it's going to break into a mobile menu. So.
Oh, okay, yeah.
That's actually one of the things I meant to add to my Trello mobile menu.
Okay. So okay, so when David becomes, yeah, okay, makes sense. So now I need to add streams, I guess. Let's add streams. There is
Whatever happened to the version? I actually went in and edited all your Python files and put it in there, but I think I got stuck on testing. I'd been streaming for like 10 hours or something, and I just got so tired I couldn't finish it.
You're talking to me, sorry.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So you are having problem with running Python
Well,
version of the app?
yeah, I couldn't figure out how to make it run on my own. Remember, you were helping me that one day. Like I said, oh, I made this whole site, and I sent you
Oh
like an
yeah,
image.
yeah.
And
You
you
were
said, well,
up
just
for like 2 days straight. Like you were up for like 24 hours or something. So yeah, I think the one problem here can be
crap.
that
1
getting.
minute if you can hear me.
Yeah, I can hear you. I think that we added some README now. So there can be a problem where where you need to have some sort of test database, and so we don't have this in README. Maybe we need to change that actually. Yeah. Anyway, I can help you to figure out how to run the test version of the app, maybe today or tomorrow. I don't know. Now it should be more straightforward than before. You don't need to add weird variables. So I suppose I don't need ng class here.
Yeah, all that's Angular stuff. You can get rid of all that.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I think the main reason that Harrison wanted to do it was because he thought it would be, if we were trying to make changes to the front end, like you didn't necessarily have to go and recode everything every time we made a change. I think that was his main reasoning.
Okay.
But if you want to keep it Python, then yeah, by all means we can move away from Angular. More than anything, that helped me be able to easily just start a server and start coding.
Yeah. Okay. So just removing extra stuff. Actually, I don't need. Oh, JS main JS. What's JS/main JS file? Can I remove it?
That was his. Yeah, you can remove it. That was his main. That was one of his main files for like whenever you're on the live or an upcoming tab, things like that. So yeah, you don't need that.
How do I add streams now? I mean, I can simply iterate over the streams and just copy and paste the old code, but I worry that it won't be responsive.
Well, if you go ahead and, like, for instance, go to where you're looping through the streams.
Okay.
And
1 second. Sorry. Macro streams. Okay, let's say we have a macro here. I can just put it there. Oops. Okay, so there are now some streams, but I dubbed this is responsive. Like, I don't think this is responsive, but I'm not sure. So now we have
Yeah, it looks like the only thing that you actually need to change is when you're going through and you're looping through your JSON array,
Uh-huh.
and in the individual, you know how, because you have the logic broken down where you have your Twitch and your YouTube, and you generate it based off of the URL, right?
Yeah.
Um, Basically, all you need to do is just change the. We need to
I
add the columns and the rows.
I
So all you
think.
have to do is add a
Uh-huh.
count, and for every two, you just add a new row, and then you just change the columns up a little bit.
Okay. I think I saw this quote somewhere. Maybe can you point me to
Oh, yeah, I could probably actually be a little
the
more helpful and actually look at it. I'm like, yeah, you find this place and you figure it out when it's like right here in front of me. I can look at it too.
No,
Um,
no, no. I mean, the columns. I can add them to the code, but I need to, to get to know. But I need to, I need to have class values for the columns. Ah, okay. So you have that. Oh, okay.
yeah.
Okay. Is it the same for Twitch and for YouTube?
It is similar. No, it should be. Hold on. Where? No, I didn't do this here. Um, I did this in streamer.html, the template. Yeah, that's where I did this. Let me get that back up here, and we'll open with Sublime Text. And what I did, the only thing that I actually did was I did a little, because you were saying if is even, like something like that. You had some logic that you had given me that day that said if is even, and then you would add a row.
Uh-huh.
So that way they would actually column up or row up by twos like this, keeping the
Uh-huh.
page shorter. And you showed me how to do that in here.
Yeah, yeah.
Like there was an additional line that says if number is even, add, and then you did the row.
Oh, okay. Hmm.
And so that way we could actually do, because right now you have them column medium 8, and all I'm doing is basically adding column large 4, I think.
Okay. Yeah. I think
And then
it
if
makes
there's
sense.
2, then it adds the actual row div.
Hmm. Okay. So,
God, I wish I could remember where the hell I did that at.
can you show me the JavaScript code that does this? Because I could probably port JavaScript code to Python. Since all I need is mostly column values and like general logic, but it should be simple.
Okay, give me just a minute. Where was that? I'm on his there. Now I'm on the right app. Static. I was in JS main. Might be in main.js. Dang it. He might have done it there. That was probably it. Let's open this. No, I take that back. I wasn't doing column 4s. I was doing column 6.
Okay.
Look at stream.html.
String.html. Okay.
is
Wow.
basically where he was templating at, and the only thing that he was doing was using don't save. Where's JavaScript main.js? Yeah, it's main.js file,
Okay.
and if you go to function process,
Oh, main.js. So anyway, so at which point? So I'm pretty sure we won't be able to integrate the whole thing today. So so what do you want? So right now in production there is a source bar and streamer profiles, but streamer profiles will probably work. So there is a bunch of stuff like that you need to integrate, like source bar, um, like what people call that from.
yeah. Well, if I tell you what, if you because I don't think I actually edited the Python files at all. I think the only thing I actually edited, like to get past this and get it to where you can start just templating out like the header and stuff.
Uh-huh.
I'm pretty sure the only thing I had to modify was where's templates? God, this window's so small. Nope, that's his. Resign to. Where's templates? Templates. Streamer. I'm pretty sure streamer is the only file I actually had to change. And I might
Okay.
and I might just go ahead if you're
I mean, I can.
if you want to move on to that other stuff because I don't have that much stuff to actually do
Uh-huh.
myself. If you want me to go ahead and just edit that back, and then you can take a look at it when I'm done. I should be able to edit this back so that it just works. This like all you have to do is put it back in, and it will automatically do what it was doing before. So I don't think you actually need to change your Python files at all. I think all I have to do
Yeah.
is
Okay.
edit this.
So yeah, probably I get it. Probably I don't need to change Python files. So well, we need to have some sort of plan of who does what in the next like couple of days or a couple of hours. Because I'm pretty sure we won't be able to do the whole thing today, since I need to probably uh, to make forms work, to make like email form work. I probably need to add the logic, this responsiveness logic. I need to make tabbed words, although I think making tabbed
Mm-hmm.
words won't be difficult. So so
If you'll worry about that, I'll redo my edits that I'd done before on the streamer.html, and then I'll add in the search bar that you have.
So
Um,
yeah, basically, can you now add a search bar and then I do all the uh, templates and stuff?
okay, sure. Yeah, I can do that.
Okay, so can you now run the code because maybe you need some help with with running it?
Well, I should be able to. I don't really actually because it's all in HTML. I should be able to. I should be fine without running that. Um, oh, I get what you're saying about the streamer.html. Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, so I think so basically we added only streamer.html and search bar. So I think
Yeah, here's what I'll do. I'll go ahead and edit this back as best as I can, and you can just kind of browse through it to make sure I'm not retarded. And
okay.
and then if it looks good to you, then but that'll save you some time from having to do it all. Um, because I know my because I was the one who wrote the HTML. I should be able to get it in there a little bit quicker. But yeah, if you'll do that, I will put in the search bar first, and then I'll start working on streamer.html. When I'm done with that, you can take a look at it. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So, anyway, let me know if you need help with running Python, running the app from Python. I think it would be better if you try running it from Python.
Yeah, I need to do that soon. I'm just so afraid it's going to eat up my time if I try to do it right now.
I don't think it should be that complicated. Basically, you just copy and paste. You install Heroku or you install Foreman. So
Okay.
you can install Heroku tool build, and then there is a tool called Foreman. You need to set Postgres, and basically then you copy and paste a file from readme txt, and you just run like. So I think it shouldn't be hard.
It would probably be faster. It would probably be faster if you duplicated one of your whatevers and then added me as a contributor to the test server, and then I could actually just clone it.
The database?
No, like in Heroku. Like you can come into a Heroku server.
I know. Yeah, maybe. But I think it would be. I mean, you don't need much stuff from there. You just need a database, and you should be able to set it like really quickly. Like if you have a database, well, to run it locally, you can run it locally really easily. You just have installed Heroku tool build, and you set up a database, and that's all you need. Then you just follow, like execute 2 lines of Python code and just 1 line of Bash, and you have a local instance running.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So we try to make it simple, so you don't have to follow complicated instructions. There is.
All right. Well, first I'm going to build your little stream thing. I'm sorry, your search bar, and then I'll mess with that. Because I want to get this done so that you're not waiting on me for anything. So I don't need that right now. Don't need that right now. Did I? God dang it, I swear I already had this open. Okay. I need to learn Python just so I can work on this more in the future.
So I think it would be easy. So okay, what I do now, I can't because the quality of your stream isn't very good. I mean, in Hangouts, I'm looking at Hangouts, and the quality of stream isn't good.
What the heck? Oh. I think what I'm going to do, yeah, I'm just going to quickly update one of those files and add the HTML and add the new styling for the search bar, and then I'll move on to all that stuff. So that way you have all the HTML you need to update the templates.
Okay.
I'll do index. Yeah. Yeah, because it's already 1:18. God, I already did this. and then, yeah, I need to go to WatchPeopleCode, spec element.
Okay, I'm going to go away from keyboard a couple of minutes.
Okay. We should have planned a little better. Maybe I should have set this all up previously. Well, yeah, I'm gonna need to adjust that a little bit. That's the wrong spot. God, this freaking. Yeah, that's the wrong one. That's a problem. Mm. Ugh. Ooh. Okay. Ugh. Guess Alex is still AFK. Is it still over there? Is it still blurry over there on YouTube for you guys? Where's Twitter? Hmm. What the? Ooh. I'm like out of it. I'm doing a closing div. No, still not the right spot. I don't like it. Why is this all the way over here, though? I don't understand. Okay. Mm-hmm. I don't hear any beeps, but could be coming from his side. I have no idea. So I will just keep doing search. Right. Yep. So I think what I want to do here, so I definitely want that to be wider. So what I think what I'm going to do, so I'm going to put this to 6. I'm going to move these both to 3. See how that pans out. Nope, that's not what I wanted. How big is this damn thing? That doesn't look good. Mm. It's a little bit too dark, I think. Nope. I don't really want to do it that way. I still don't. Still don't know what I want to do. UL nav tabs. Line 85. Look, it's taking a long time.
Hi, I'm back.
How's it going?
Okay, so what are you doing right now?
You are. I don't remember.
I'm considering ending the stream because there's some stuff that needs to be done, and making them templates is not the most exciting stuff. So I think I could do it this week, probably within a couple of days, like 2 or 3 days.
What am I hearing? Is that on my end or on your end? Oh, here it is. There we go. Okay. I was on the WatchPeopleCode site.
Oh,
You weren't
okay,
saying
yeah.
anything forever. I don't know about this top search bar. What I'm gonna do? Oh no, crap! What happened? Tab nav, tab nav, tab nav. Oh, that didn't work.
By the way, it looks like when you I'm not sure if you can see that, but the notification form is overlapping with the tabs. Could you please also fix that, because it looks kind of weird. I can show you the screenshot.
Yeah.
So if you look at this, it is overlapping it for like a couple of pixels.
Gotcha. Yeah, I can take care of that.
Yeah, maybe you could kind of. I mean, it looks like nice when it's not overlapping, but when it's you resize it, it looks kind of weird. Okay. Oh, hey. Wow, you really have a crap ton of subscribers. They were so fine.
Wow.
Yeah, someone with 200,000 subscribers commented on my stream.
Tell us what you're doing.
No, it looks like some business account. I don't know. I'm not exactly sure.
It's some employee on their
Best templates on the web. I know. I guess I can subscribe to this because why not?
Because why not? Okay, so I actually need to do the same thing for this email here that I just did for. I'm actually almost done, and I'll submit both these things back to you. We need to probably play around with the search bar at the top a little bit, but it's not too bad for now.
I need to.
email. I have no idea where the freaking search button's gone.
Okay.
Where's the stupid email? There it is.
So do you need my help? Because I think I will go and have dinner, go and cook dinner. So yeah, I'm thinking that if you don't need any, if you don't need anything from me, then I will end your stream and you could work alone on that. I will make a template, a proper template. Like I made a very basic template right now, but I need to make tab works, and I think I will do it within a couple of days, probably today.
Okay. But the one thing I do need you to do real
Uh-huh.
quick, it won't take very long, is I need you, or basically need to get this picture to you. We need to figure I want to get, I promised them by Tuesday every single week, and so far I've never done it.
Okay.
Adding podcasts, iTunes.
Okay, so there is an XML, but we need to add the episode descriptions, right? And icon, right?
Yeah. Yeah, the icon is in Slack. Where's that? You have access to Slack, don't you?
Yeah.
Okay. It should be in... Should be... Or maybe it is under site. Nope. There it is.
Okay.
So all you have to do is download that. We can probably just store it on Heroku, and then just add the link to the XML file with the...
Yeah, sure.
Even if all you did was push it to S3. Either way, and then it's got to be this tag right here.
Okay.
iTunes image href. And then I'll just pull the descriptions off really quick. Okay, so I need... Maybe I should on Slack. I'm just going to throw it in the chat.
Okay. Actually, I downloaded the icon. Okay, so you have added the descriptions. Can you add descriptions for all episodes?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
Okay, great.
I'm just pulling them off one at a time. There's 3. I don't want to get I don't think they can take links. So I'm not going to get here's episode 3. I realize it's not breaking it up, but here's episode 2. But yeah, the moment we have that on the XML file, then I can submit it immediately.
Okay.
So you didn't have a very good description at all. I need to start. I actually been doing pretty good, but yeah, episode 1 and 2 was rough. I didn't even have a description for episode 1.
Well, we can put some placeholder like episode 1 or like some sort of the first episode and like put nothing basically, like no description, some short description. This is the first episode. This is the second episode. Nothing very detailed.
That'll be fine. I'm gonna actually copy and paste this myself. We're definitely, you know what's crazy about the podcast? We're like from our first episode to last one, even though I still don't think where we need to be yet, but such a much better podcast. Episode 4 versus episode 1, like it's continually getting really good.
That's great. Okay, I'm committing this logo. And I'm going to take the code for generate the RSS feed.
Okay.
Thanks, by the way. Thanks for your comments. Okay.
I think in the future, because this was definitely a learning experience for both of us on doing the dual streaming. I think in the future what we should probably do is just have like a Skype call, and then we'll just do to our own separate channels. And so that way you're really the only extra bandwidth you're getting is from the audio itself. And then we'll just link each other in our descriptions and stuff.
Yeah.
Because that way, yeah, that will definitely save the extra bandwidth for our own feeds.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm not sure what I want to do with this stinking bar up here.
Okay. Need to update the code. Fine.
Okay.
Oops. Just doing some reformatting here. Then I'm going to copy and paste the descriptions.
Yeah, will work. Get notified about upcoming stream.
Okay.
Oop. Okay.
I think I need to do rg podcast consent. Too many values to unpack.
Uh-oh. Broke something.
Yeah. Okay, now there is some XML and it works, and I'm going to push it. Let's push that to Heroku. Okay, can you test the feed now? I still need to add the fourth episode, but I think that the first three should work. I added the stuff here. No?
It shouldn't. Let's go to the actual.
Maybe.
How do I find the XML?
Maybe I should check the actual XML.
Oh, well, I've got all of them but episode 1. I show the.
There should be 3 episodes: episode 1, episode 3, and episode 2.
Well, the only one that I don't have. I meant to say the only one I don't have a description on is episode 1.
Okay. I don't know. That's weird because there is a description for the episode 1, and I see no difference between the description of episode 1 and for the episode 2. I think that the XML is valid. I mean, it should be working. Maybe that's.
Maybe it's the fact that I already have it downloaded is probably the problem.
Maybe I should try removing it because the XML is proper.
There we go. Yeah, as soon as I deleted it,
okay.
it updated.
Yeah, great. So I need to add the episode 4, right?
Yes. Also, it seems that because the way that I have this set up is it always gets the latest one and downloads it. And right now it thinks that episode 1 is the latest. So your order might be reversed. I don't. Let's take a look.
How do I change the order? Oh, I mean, I should reverse it. Just. Oh, so the latest episode should be, on top, right?
Yeah.
Okay, makes sense. Yeah, makes perfect sense. I'm going to reverse the list in Python. Okay, I remember that. Didn't review this. Python is really cool. You can. This may look like a magic, but that's how you reverse a list in Python.
Nice.
So you should. I'm not going to explain it now, but it's a really cool feature. It's called slicing, and the third argument is really interesting. When it's negative, it reverses this. If I change it to -2, it's going to take every other episode, but it's also going to reverse it. So the list is going to be reversed with every other episode. It's a pretty cool feature.
That's
I really like it. So I think that let's try that. And I don't think it worked. Maybe it's a caching issue, because this should work. Like if I do this, it's going to be reversed, right? But here it isn't reversed for some reason, and I don't understand why. Like, should we? So episodes. It shouldn't be reversed. Maybe it sorts them in. Maybe it's bit generator that sort them in the wrong order. Hi Benjamin. But thank you actually.
How's it going, buddy? I'm actually in Oklahoma. Got a guy on my chat that I think it's
Wow,
there's Tyrant. Isn't Tyrant in Texas? I think he's in Texas. You could sort by published date.
yeah, maybe. I'm just looking at that chat. So okay, yeah, I think that maybe feed generator sorts them, and I need to provide a way to sort. Like maybe I should provide a date.
What's the difference between summary and description?
Probably the description is probably a longer version of summary. Just a guess.
Update category. God, there's a lot of crap that we could be filling out, but I definitely don't want to take the time to do it right now.
Yeah, maybe we could fill it later. I don't think that we need all the stuff. Oops. Okay, let's take a look at the podcast feed, and let's check. It's broken pipe. What's wrong with you? Okay. Let's print some stuff. I think normally this would print. Let's try login. Maybe. Okay.
Well,
Let's try an empty list. What happens if I...
games web language.
Oh, I am dumb. I'm refreshing like you. So yeah, I'm refreshing production version, and I should be obviously I should be refreshing development version. Sorry, I feel dumb now. But yeah, the order is reversed, like as you would expect from this code. It was correct all the time, but I was refreshing the wrong page. And I actually was suspected. I actually was suspecting that maybe I didn't properly reload the code, but it turns out that I was simply trying to.
I'm gonna delete this and add it like I'm just doing it for the first time. So it's gp/www.watch. My God. My God. / What is the URL?
The URL for podcast.
Podcastix. Yeah.
Podcast. Okay. The URL is here. I'm going to
_XML. XML.xml.
Podcast _feed.xml.
Ah, okay. Oh, okay. Oh, that didn't work. Delete. Maybe we should go check chat. Did you put it in there? There, yeah, you did. There
Yes. So.
iTunes. File. Subscribe to podcast.
I'm pushing the code to production so that you can use the new version in a couple of moments. In a couple of minutes. I don't think in a couple of moments is a proper price. Although I keep using it, like I don't know. So yeah.
This is perfect, man. My podcast.
So yeah, the order is now reversed. So the latest episodes are first.
Perfect.
Yeah. So.
So how long does it take for it to? Is it updated now or?
Yeah, it's updated now. Let's check it.
Okay. See, it's still not getting our image. But it is starting with episode 3 first. Which
okay, image. Maybe something is image. Let's test. Oh, I think I should. Yeah, the problem with image is that I need to provide obviously the full URL. Yeah. So not relative URL. I forgot about that.
There you go.
Okay, I can just simply set or yes. Here I can simply set external equals to true, and it's going to and it's going to generate the full URL. Oops. Let's check. Yeah, it's now a full URL, and when I push it in production, should link to watchpeoplecode.com instead of localhost.
Let me delete. Into trash. File.
So a couple of seconds, and it's going to be fixed. So it says launching, and
Oh, okay. I didn't see that it wasn't finished yet.
yeah, so it's finished. You can check the URL. It should now be full URL. And yes, it's a full URL. So
Boom. Done.
okay, great.
So do we have to set it per, because it looks fine right here, but it's not necessarily pulling it in. Maybe they have, is there a file per, no, that's disappeared.
What's wrong?
It says the date is December 31st, 1903. That's fine though. We'll figure it out.
So what do we need to do? Like set a proper date?
Yeah, I don't know. Let me. Okay, subscribe to podcast. Okay, that pulled it in fine right there. But yeah, it does say that the latest episode was December 31st of 1903. So we might have to do that. I don't know. Let's see what the.
Yeah, I can do update. Part of that I can do that.
Item. It's yeah. Go ahead and do the iTunes like this. This is what you put inside of every single item.
Yeah. Okay.
For the image, so you'll pretty much just duplicate that for each item.
Okay.
And then yeah, the update. Ugh. Well, right now we are working on, or should I say, Alex is working on over on his feed. He is. We are generating a XML document which we will be submitting to iTunes for the podcast. Which, if you guys missed it, I would definitely go to the Watch People Code YouTube channel and check out. Check out the last podcast. We had Quincy Lennon from Free Code Camp. Just a great group of guys over there. He was a lot of fun. Oh, awesome. So all you had to do is just submit it as a variable?
Yeah, so I think that the image issue will be fixed now, but I'm not sure. Now, let's see. Maybe not. Need to run the code. Let's see. Okay, now there is image.
Did you want me to grab you the dates out of YouTube real quick?
Yeah, that would be great. Yeah, now I need to specify the date.
That should be the last thing. Sorry this took extra time.
Don't worry.
Come on. Okay, so what the hell?
I will set some random dates for now.
Okay, we have... God, this stupid thing. We have Feb 1st. To 8, 3, 7.
So I set some random dates here. A time object has no time zone info. Mm, right there, did you see? Import, right there.
Mhm.
Okay, now I need to. Okay, so now I need to change the dates to oh, yeah, dates, and it turns out I wasn't almost correct about them. Guessed all of them correctly. It was just they were just shifted by 1 week. Um, 23 here. Um, okay, I think um, I completed that. So one thing, I'm going to commit these changes. Um,
Yeah.
mm, mm, okay, so you can test it. It should now include the link to the logo in every episode, and it also should include publication date. So you can test it.
Okay, perfect.
Doesn't work. That's weird. Ah,
Well, here, let me, because it's already downloaded stuff, so let me just do this. Load to trash. File,
okay.
subscribe to document. Because once we get this working, nobody else will have to reload this ever again. But
Yeah.
yeah, there we go. It says March 7, 2015.
Yeah.
Although for some reason the file image keeps like moving and shaking on and off. It's really kind of
Okay.
weird. Like at one moment it'll be fine, and then it'll go away, and then it'll come back. And I don't know if that's on our end or not. It could be on my end.
Yeah, I'll check it.
So for the guys who are wondering on my stream what the change is, whether it's just an aesthetic redesign or larger, we basically just need to update our style and basically get everything to where it is responsive and that we have a nice, good core foundation so that we can make additions in the future without constantly having to fight the existing style. And just because we want it to be where people can come on any platform and be able to watch our streams, we don't necessarily want to force them to always get on their desktops or laptops or whatever. But although I think is it Twitch that doesn't do responsive? Yeah, it's Twitch that doesn't allow responsive streams. Or did you figure that out? I can't remember.
I don't remember too. I think there was some issue with HTML5 version of Twitch. So as far as I know, it pretty much should be Flash on almost every platform except for Android. But I'm not sure. I will check this. I think that the XML feed is correct, at least with regards to iTunes image. I don't know. There is iTunes image, and the href attribute is correct.
See, and I think it is on my end because at points it's there, like there now it's there. Just a second ago it was not, and now this is gone from over here. So it could be completely on mine. I would think it couldn't be on your end if it shows up on both at some point. That the image URL, see, and then it was there for a second and then it went away. So yeah, it's the problem's definitely not on your end anymore. So
okay.
I think this should be everything that I need to go ahead and get it submitted to iTunes, so finally I can stop answering hate mail and.
Okay, I will add the fourth episode today. It shouldn't be hard. You just need to download the video and extract the audio from it. Anyway, I think I will end the stream now. Like I will.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and get some lunch too.
Yeah, I need to cook
this definitely gave us some good things to, because here's the thing: is I think before our hackathon, now that we've gotten some experience kind of doing this, we definitely need to throw up like a guide, like if you're gonna be working with a team, if you guys want to be able to show your streams together, how not to spend half your day setting it up. So I definitely think that it would be nice for them to see even just a Google document saying we've tried this, don't do it. But I think this will work a lot better if we were using just Skype for casting each other's audio to our own channels. I think it would work much better that way. But and there's I need to go back and look at the podcast, but I guess the guys over at Free Camp Code do pair programming with a certain program. It's kind of like TeamViewer, but it's a whole lot more responsive. The latency is a whole lot better. Free Code Camp, yeah, that's what I was thinking too, Kai. All right, man. Well, I appreciate you staying and getting the XML document set up. I want to throw that up there.
Thank you. I should have done it, I think, before, since I promised to do it. Anyway, thanks. By the way, thanks for doing the podcast. Like it's really great to
Definitely. We need to get you on there again, man.
yeah, I would participate. Like I would totally participate if it wasn't so late in Moscow. Because even though I'm a night owl, I try to go to sleep no later than 4 a.m. and you guys start at 4 a.m.
So the obvious thing that I need to do is just come and record a bunch of your streams, and then I'll make an Alex soundboard. Just throw in random comments from you.
Yeah, you could do
that. Anyway, all right, man. Well, I'll let you go. I'm gonna get off here too. I'm starving. So.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks.
All right, man. Talk to you later.
Thank you everyone for watching. Bye.